Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm on our trade-in 2015 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Why am I in the racks? Pretty simple. We don't get these trade-ins very often, and so we're trying to hide it. We want to sell it. It's here in Sarasota. It's our boat. We love these boats so much. You guys have heard me talk about the power on these whalers. You've heard me talk about the seating. You know these things through and through. A couple of key features on this specific one that I like. Of course, hardtop. That's the big option. Essential for the family, essential for a day on the water. This one, you'll see them peeking out here. JL, it's got the premium audio package. That's amps under the dash, subwoofer. So cool. Such a sweet sandbar boat. Battery charger. Of course, you can do a little fishing off this boat as well. It does it phenomenally. It's got a rear table. It's got the Yeti slide out, and I love the countertop, guys. Such a prep space. Here forward at the dash, you've got a fantastic 12-inch 7212 Garmin touchscreen. Phenomenal unit. Used them, installed them over the years. Absolutely love that unit. Fusion stereo, and you've got a VHF. Not common on these boats. Really, really nice feature to have. Makes you feel good about when you're out on the water. This one, premium bathroom in spades. There's an upgrade for the bathroom, which this one has, but it also has the teak floors, and of course it's a 27 Vantage, so it's got a skylight above, keep anybody from feeling claustrophobic. It's got the stainless on top of the windshield, and of course, look at this. This is why you buy a Vantage. This is why you have a dual console. It's gorgeous. The front is so comfortable, and what you can't see hiding under the bow, this boat's got a windlass. Perfect option for a Sarasota outboard boat. Guys, it's got low hours on it. We love it. We're hiding it here. If you want to jump on a boat that's inexpensive, this is your boat. I'm Jeremiah, MarineMax Sarasota. Give us a shout.